Good morning, my dear students. We are doing the question answers of chapter number 7, Gulliver in the Land of Giants. So students, we have already completed questions 1 to 7. So you get ready with your class of copies and start writing question number 8. Are you ready? Let's start question number 8. How did Gulliver prove to the captain that the land of giants did exist? That means what? When Gulliver narrated his story to the captain, they didn't believe actually, isn't it? They didn't believe. So what he did to prove that the land of giants really existed. Okay. So the answer will be, Gulliver showed the captain the huge comb, foot-long pins and the queen's gold ring which he wore in his neck to prove that the land of giants did actually exist. Got it? Let's come to question number 9. This will be the last question, students. Gulliver was very well looked after, yet he longed to go back to England. Why? Longed means what? Do you know longed means what? He wanted very badly to go back to his own motherland, England. So answer will be, Gulliver was very well looked after, yet he longed to go back to England because he was not free in that country, and he lived under constant fear. Constant means every time he was in fear, isn't it? What will happen next time? Because all the creatures, including the human beings, they were all huge. They were of huge size. He missed his motherland. Apart from that, he missed his motherland. So Gulliver was very well looked after, yet he longed to go back to England because he was not free in that country and he lived under constant fear. He missed his motherland. So this is the last question, student. There are many other questions in your textbook, but I have given only 9 questions. Okay. Let's come to page number 118. Take out your book. You can write these words in your book itself. Okay. So what words in the story mean the words in bold italics? Here, see this word terrified, nervously. They are written in italics, and these words are there in the story. The meaning of these words are there in the story with another word. Okay, so you'll have to find that word. So I have helped you here. The first letter has been given to you. The first letter, see here, H, A, G, F. These are already given here. You need to write the full word. Okay, so you can do this in your textbook, but always use a pencil while writing in the book. Number 1. The citizens were terrified by the bombings. Terrified means what? Horrified. It is horrified. Number 2. Anna looked at the paper nervously, anxiously. Number 3. The people in the land were enormous. Enormous? What is the word in the book? In the chapter? Gigantic. Number 4. The child looked at the plane with interest. Fascination. Fascination. Here C is silent. How will you say the word? Fascination. Number 5. The judge sent for the accused. The judge, okay, no need to write this one, D, this is a spelling, printing mistake maybe. The judge sent for the accused, sent for summoned. Summoned. What we got in the chapter? The queen summoned the farmer. Number 6. The shipwrecked crew suffered a great deal of misfortune. Misadventure. Misadventure. Gulliver had to face many misadventures in the land of the giants. Number 7. All of us slept after a tiresome journey. Tedious. Tiresome, tedious. Number 8. The hero freed the people from oppression, bondage. Oppression, bondage. So these are the word power. You write it in your book. Okay. Now next comes modal verbs. Modal verbs. I hope students this is all new to you. Modal means what? Verbs you already know. Verbs means doing, being or having words, isn't it? And these are helping verbs. Okay, that also you got. Helping verbs, that is auxiliary verbs you got. And why they are called modal verbs? Modal, it comes from the word mode. Okay, mode. When we speak to different people, different types of people, that is, you don't use the same tone or you don't use the same words when you speak with your friends and when we speak with your teacher, isn't it? Or some elderly people on the way if you meet. Do you speak in the same way as you speak with your friends? No, we don't speak. So that it shows the mode of the speaker. Okay, it shows the mode of the speaker. So what are they? May, let's start from here. May, might, must, shall, should, will, would, can, could. Okay, these are some of the modal verbs. May, might, must, shall, should, will, would, can, could. Okay, students. So I have given here the use, where we use it. Okay. When we want to show the ability, we use can. We use can. Suppose I can sing. That means I have the ability to sing. Could, can, past tense is could, past ability, or request. Or request. Suppose, could you do the sum for me? Could you do the sum for me? It is a request when we use it in a request. May. Mostly you will use, isn't it, students? Do you remember? May. May is, may I go to washroom? Miss, may I drink water? You don't say, can I drink water? Isn't it? You can drink, of course. But when you ask the permission, what do you say? May. Okay. So, when do we use may? For request, for permission, or a possibility. Possibility means what? It may rain today. It may rain today. Might also possibility. Past tense of may is might. We use in possibility. And must. You must finish the work today. You must finish the work by today. Must means necessity. Okay, compulsory. You must do. Should. You should drive slowly. You should write neatly. Those are advice. Okay. We use this should in advice. Will is the Will shows the future action. I'll go to the market. That means I didn't go till now. I'm not going now. But I will go to the market. In future, I will go. So it shows future action. Okay. Would. Would is the past tense of will. There also we use and for polite request and offer. Would you have a cup of tea? It is an offer. Okay. And request, polite request. Would you mind if I come with you? Would you mind if I come with you? So students, this shows the mode of the speaker. Different types of modes of the speaker in different situations. Okay. So, you need to do this homework. Page 119. Modal verbs 1 to 8. Just open the page and check. 1 to 8. Fill in the blanks is there in your book. So, in the book itself, you need to do with a pencil in good handwriting. Okay, students? And in the next class, we'll be learning letter writing. What shall we learn? We'll be learning letter writing. Okay. So, till then, bye-bye and have a good day.